In the coastal communities of Odisha, the Gopabandhu Seva Parishad (GSP) is working to make a real difference in the lives of migrant fishermen families, especially those who have come from Andhra Pradesh. Focused on supporting these vulnerable communities, GSP is breaking down barriers and creating new opportunities for a better future.
अभी हम लोग पुरी में अर्बन स्लम में काम कर रहे हैं, जो कि पेंठागटा करके एक अर्बन स्लम है, जहाँ पे आंध्र प्रदेश से जो लोग माइग्रेटेड होकर आए हैं 70-80 ईयर्स बैक, ये फिशर फोक कम्युनिटी है, उनके साथ हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
For many of these migrant families, the journey hasn't been easy. Language barriers created distance and isolation, hindering their integration into local society. But GSP stepped in, providing support through language training programs and cultural orientation, allowing these families to find their voice in a new land. This empowered them to access better resources, participate more fully in local life, and build a brighter future for their children. Women, especially, have faced unique challenges. Many are the primary breadwinners, often selling fresh fish at local markets. With GSP's assistance, these women have not only found a stronger foothold in their livelihoods but have also learned to manage and expand their businesses. Through training in financial literacy, business development, and market linkage, GSP has empowered these women to thrive.
फ्रेश फिश सेलिंग कर रहे हैं वुमेन, 100 वुमेन जिन लोगों ने डायरेक्टली बेनिफिटेड हुए हैं, लाइवलीहुड को उन लोगों का एनहेंस हो पाया है।
GSP's impact extends to adolescent girls in these communities. Recognizing the importance of education and empowerment, GSP has launched programs focused on skills training, leadership, and self-confidence.
Through adolescent programs, we are trying to cover the 10 modules of Advika program, which is WCT department's key program. And because the Anganwadis are not easily performing due to the language barrier, we are trying to provide them this training. This training covers the first, the nutritional element. Then second one was the anemia, its cause and its remedies, life skill, child trafficking, child labor and child rights, gender issues and gender sensitivity, sexual health and adolescent fertility, relationship and marriage, various infectious disease, HIV/AIDS, and how to cover them.
These programs are breaking traditional norms, helping young girls envision a future full of possibilities, away from the confines of outdated expectations.
आज तक हमको जो मैम लोग दीदी लोग जो सिखाए हैं उससे हम बहुत सीखे हैं और हम बहुत खुश हैं। हमको पहले विटामिन, एनीमिया के बारे में और चाइल्डहुड राइट्स के बारे में कौन सा मतलब फूड खाने हैं, कौन सा नहीं खाने हैं, उसके हमको बहुत कुछ सिखाए थे। कल से हम 10 क्लास हम पढ़ा है, उसमें बैड टच, गुड टच और फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स और हैंड वॉश सब कुछ हम सीखा है।
At the heart of GSP's work is the belief that true change happens when communities come together. Whether it's helping a woman improve her livelihood, teaching a child to overcome language barriers, or empowering an adolescent girl to follow her dreams, GSP is committed to creating a sustainable, inclusive future for all. Through unwavering dedication, GSP continues to be a beacon of hope, fostering strength, unity, and progress among the fishermen communities of Odisha. Their journey is one of resilience, and with each step forward, they build a brighter tomorrow. This is the story of Gopabandhu Seva Parishad, where every small act of service leads to a larger transformation.